Myself Aditya Jas, and I am a data analyst at vSquare. I started my career in computer science stream and I completed my graduation in BCA. After that I started pursuing MCA and I received many projects during the final year, but I was never happy with the opportunities that I was handed over, and it never gave me the satisfaction that I needed in my stream. So I started searching for the trending technologies, and this is the point where I found about the data analytics and I discovered it, and I started streaming about that field. I was completely into C# and Java, and I started my career there, but I was never happy with the opportunities as I told earlier, and I didn't got much push there, and I always thought that I deserved much more. This was the point where I searched about data science, and I knew that data science was a trending technology and it was used almost in every field, in business, in intelligence, and in many other things like sports. You can see that in cricket, in analysis. So data analysis was a trending technology at that time, at this time, and it provided a high pay scale. So I thought data analysis would be great for me, and it would be the great option, and it was the option that I always searched for and that I always deserved. And my mentor Anup sir told me the same, as he was also in the same field. Now that my aim was clear, that I want to be a data analyst, it was necessary for me to find a proper institute. So for that purpose, I started searching on Google. I found good reviews on Google Map regarding Anup Kelkar's Python Academy. I had consulted with my friends also. I talked to them. I visited the class. I talked to the department, and I attended demo sessions that I found really good, and it could help me in my career. So I decided to join the class. Now that I made my decision to join Python Academy, I was quite worried, like my decision would help me or not. Like I had many questions in front of me, and I have to prove a lot to myself and to everyone else. So I joined the class, but as the class started and the day passed, I learned a lot of things here. I got a good assistance, I got good teaching staff. Even if you are not from the programming background, there's nothing to worry about. You get to learn from the scratch. Like we started from the basics of Python, and we then ended to the most advanced skills, and we got many helpful websites like Kaggle and any other websites that helped us in data science. We also did internship, the 2 months internship from Springboard, which helped a lot in enhancing my skills. So it was quite helpful, and the journey was quite good, and it was a really good experience learning data science. And finally I realized that the decision I took was very good and helped me a lot in enhancing my career. Now that the trainings and sessions are over and the internships was also over, it was time to look for a job. So I got a really good assistance from Python Academy. They suggested me to apply for some 2-3 jobs that I applied, but somehow I was not able to make it. I was quite nervous at that time that would I make it to the final and would I get placed. But then I got good assistance from Anup sir, and he motivated me a lot. And then finally I got a assistance from Python Academy, a job at vSquare, data analyst job. I worked hard for that interview. Anup sir helped me a lot. He inspired me. He gave me all the study material I needed. He gave me the assistance, and he gave me the confidence. Most importantly, he believed in me that I can do it. And I finally seized the interview, and here I am today, data analyst at vSquare. Before going through the actual interview, the academy provides you a mock interview where you get updated with your skills, and they tell you about your strengths and weaknesses. So basically every interview follows the protocol of aptitude test, reasoning, and communication skills, also the technical. The two things which are required the most, that is communication skills and technical. You should be clear at least with your basic concepts, and you should have good communication skills, as well as you should be confident during the interview. The most important thing during an interview is honesty. You should be honest with yourself and with the interviewer, so that you can seize the interview and you can tell anything that you want. To all my aspiring data analyst friends, I would like to suggest that Anup Kelkar's Python Academy is really good and it gives you the assistant that you need. So if you want to start your career, you should start here. And beyond these things, you should also research on your own. Like you should follow the websites like Kaggle, which is really very good for the data analysts. So Kaggle helps you, assistants from academy help you, and you should have your own research and as well. And you need patience, so that whatever the opportunities come, you should be patient about that, and you should enhance your skills and then seize the opportunity.